Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. I wouldn't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, UTG, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and we are bringing another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember no man, I'm here reminding you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, this latest track from Little Vibes and Little Addy definitely prove a statement and a point to me as I try to make viewers and subscribers. Little Addy is definitely as outspoken and prolific as Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Big up Little Vibes anyway. The youth, the dancehall industry definitely ready for what you bring to the table. Now this latest track is titled Paid in Full, viewers and subscribers. But from we did hear the two brothers, when they call themselves PG-13 or something like that, they will make a statement. No, Little Addy continue to make that statement there. We are going to hear the statement, then continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Listen. As I point out, Little Addy said them sell out the boss. No, as I say, this time around, him not call a name. But from the recent track where they dropped by Sean Storm, where the G say, yo, poppy them, it is no doubt in my mind, or maybe there's still room for speculation, because recently we hear Massacre Camp make a statement, you know what I mean? So, we're still not getting official confirmation, but one thing I may point out, the artist, the young artist is as outspoken as Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is the only person who not hear make no mention of Popcard in a statement such. But we remember the track with him and Tommy Lee. You know what I mean? Them betray. But viewers and subscribers, other than that, we're not hearing the statements being said by the teacher. But Little Addy, yeah, the young king on the rise. Him definitely him put no filter upon the something, viewers and subscribers. He must say it as him feel. You know what I mean? Him say him feel like personally, them sell out the boss. Whoever him attack, him never call no name, but as I say, another the first time he must say that, and the last time he did say it was clear say a Popcorn in that talk about. Now, we don't know, Popcorn would never dare answer the youth or make no reference like that. But as I say, it is definitely food for thought, viewers and subscribers, and this track is titled Paid in Full. You know what I mean? And it is definitely a title, we just say, inspired by the movie. You know what I mean? Paid in Full. So, and if you know anything about that movie, viewers and subscribers, this is definitely a very gritty story. You know what I mean? A very, very gritty story based up on a true story at that. So, you know what I mean? It's very fitting to hear a line like that in a track titled like this. You know what I mean? So viewers and subscribers, the comment section is always open for you. Show me your thoughts, what you feel. The statements are clear. This is not misinterpretations. This is just we listening to the statements and reasoning about all of what was said. You know what I mean? As I say, I never hear Little Vibes make certain statement it. You know what I mean? You definitely bring the vibe to the music, the energy. You know what I mean? What skinny jeans when you hear that drop and you hear the G start saying, and the J line they must say your Clark same thing there, but we were you like, as I'm point out recently, that I definitely one of my favorite line out of the track, viewers and subscribers, because it sounds like a chat with Vybz Kartel with that make. But when Little Addy touch the fire phone, we know say I'm gonna talk some things. The G have a line they must say, yo, appearance have money, but it not lean upon them. You know what I mean? The G have the line recently they must say, yo, them sell out the boss. The G approves, so yo, when it comes to music, viewers and subscribers, theme style is a very prolific style. Him definitely take that from Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Own sound, own style, own flow. That's one thing I'm respect about Little Addy. And him always continue to represent Team Old Man. You know what I mean? If anybody have a clear certification we can talk about that topic here, and definitely him. If I know him, I'm brother them. So, to hear him talk about it, and like when some other people are talk about it, and we are say, yo, why them have talk about some them thing there for, why them have mentioned people name in them? No, them man definitely have a clear warrant. You can talk about when I talk about viewers and subscribers. So, yo, when you hear the artist make a statement like that, me have to bring it to the fans and the viewers and get your opinion. Where you think, who you feel like the artist attack. You feel like him talk about Massacre? because of the recent statements made by Corey Todd, said that Massacre has always had his eyes on the throne held by Vybz Kartel at this point in time. And there was a statement made when the teacher probably did say by 2020 the Massacre would be a fit artist. But that wasn't saying that he would have fit enough to take the crown. Just means say, yo, to the current trajectory we see the artist career at tech. We can say, yo, by such time if life spare, you know what I mean, he would be a well-established artist. That was the simple statement. And it's true, at this point in time, he's a well-established artist. People know him, him a tour, him sang them a hit, track them a medal, him find the flow, him find the chorus as of late. So the thing a work. But other than that, you know what I mean? Popcorn. It can be popcorn, the statements can go for popcorn as well, viewers and subscribers. People have long speculated that something did go on, but we don't know about. You know what I mean? And to hear Addy has said, some people have said, yo, little Addy, then maybe something of them know where the public at large is not aware of, but him know, because I remember say, yo, this is a family situation, and he's a part of the family, so him probably hear certain reasoning, hear certain talk, and you know what I mean, as a youth, him put it in the music, and then so him express himself, so him express himself in the music, viewers and subscribers, and I have to respect that. Yeah, him never go up on the gram and make some comment and make some statement, and no, him handle the thing like a professional, and just drop it in the music. People know little about the artists, these two artists at this point in time, because you know what I mean, them just make them debut in a music somewhat, because it's a big step from just dropping one song for the whole entire year to dropping hit songs in the early part of the year and dropping hit songs now. So you know what I mean, they definitely a step up from the release of tracks. So this is a clear sign, say, you know what I mean, music is definitely a career path being considered by the youth them. You know what I mean? So it's definitely a good look that too as well. So we can look forward to hear more music. You know what I mean? I don't know that our interest in our go on to it. We know so well, you have to remember say you know so the youth them are doing them academics too. So yeah, we respect that and we wish all the best for them. All the artists youth them and pursue them academics and them are doing extremely well. You know what I mean? It's a good look that. So musically though, it's also a good look for no say yo. Music is a career path being considered by the youth them, you know what I mean? The legacy secure viewers and subscribers. We don't have to worry about carry on the legacy. It not have to carry on by, you know what I mean, members of the musical group. No, we have people who can carry it on by the bloodline viewers and subscribers. Little Vybz, little Addy, and as I point out, little Addy are definitely a prolific and outspoken dancehall artist. I look forward to see what you can bring to the table, little Addy. I now go around G. Dollar Sign is definitely a hit, and it was a hit the first time I hear it. I never did need to see it reach the 1 million view mark. When I see it and hear it, I say, yo, that flow, you know. See, we stand alone, better say we get the tune. Dollar sign. I say, yo, him find it. The youth find it. And the more me hear him verses, I say, yo, you know, say him definitely a master. Articulation and flow pattern. Them things, they are things where, yo, it take long for master articulation and flow pattern in a music. To express yourself, it's when you have articulation and you can quickly formulate a flow pattern. You can say anything on the beat. You can talk about any subject matter. You can touch any topic and you can make it listenable. That's how Vybz Kartel have. A master articulation. You know what I mean? And flow pattern. Him can give a flow pattern. You know, him can have talking flow patterns. Him have hip hop style flow patterns, crossover flow patterns, original dancehall flow patterns, hardcore dancehall flow patterns, reggae flow patterns. Yo, the G definitely has mastered that, and him youth them on the pursuit as well. They must study the game, they must study the music, and yo, one of the most inspirational dancehall artists of this day and age are them father. So it's a good look for them. You know what I mean? They might take on the music. The G so them sell out the boss do. And we have to point that out. Say him still make that statement there. You know what I mean? Yeah, him say it again. Yeah, we are pointing it out, viewers and subscribers. Little Addy say it again. So we don't know. Popcorn. I know what I go on. You know what I go on. If you choose to comment or somebody from the camp choose to drop a comment and make you know why these statements are always being said. Well, make you know. Now viewers and subscribers, by the one called Jaden Chase. If you're new to the movement, however, what you need to do is click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. This is how you stay notified on all our go on, all our transpire. The like icon is there for if you like the reasoning, respect the reasoning, respect the youth, and respect myself. Click the like icon and make you know, show your support Gaza Nation UTG, make you know, say you check in, I want to listen to the vlog, leave a like on the vlog. The comment section open 24/7, it never lucky yet, you know what I mean, 24/7, so drop your thoughts and opinions there. From it matters to you, it matters to us. So make you know what your thoughts on the reason, what you feel about the vibe, you know what I mean? What you think about the youth and pursuit of music, you feel like him is an outspoken dancehall artist, the fact that him can't ever make statements where, you know what I mean? Some people that consider controversial. Now viewers and subscribers, until the reason again, you know my sentiments, me I say live, love and prosper, and I'm out.